Hello, welcome to my channel. Here I am again doing another makeup tutorial. Please keep on watching. Here I'm using Lucas Papaw, and next is primer. Don't worry, I will put all the products down below. So for my eyebrow, I have to do some magic tricks because it takes forever. So ta-da! So here I'm using hair wax to make my eyebrows stay in place. So next is get a concealer. Using concealer brush, shape your eyebrows with concealer, and don't forget your eyelids as well. And finish with matte powder. So let's proceed for the eye makeup. Be doing a classic cut crease. So ang tagal makapili ni ate girl. Yay! So I'm choosing the reddish brown. Sorry if I'm not good in describing colors, so pasensya po. So first draw a crease line and then slowly go up. Kapag satisfied ka, you can go back to the eyeshadow para ma-emphasize mo pa lalo yung color. Brush it upward, not downward, upward, and then blend it. So for the upper crease area, choose a light matte brown color using round brush, and then blend it, and then go back to the first color you choose para ma-emphasize pa lalo yung color. And then brush the harsh line area. So for brow bone, choose a light color with glitter for highlight. So balik tayo sa palette, and then choose the black color and draw a wing line. So kung gusto mo talaga ng perfect eyelids, just get a concealer using concealer brush, and then huwag masyadong madami, and then blend it, and then press with powder. So for your tear duct area, create a line. Huwag masyadong mataas, tama-tama lang para it looks sexy. And then define your wing line with concealer, and then blend it. And then go back to the black eyeshadow. Tapos ilagay sa waterline area. And then get, hindi pala. Then go back to first eyeshadow that you use, and then put it in your lower lash line. And let's do the magic trick. Tada! So here I'm using Taiwan Lashes kasi gusto ko ma-emphasize pa yung eyeshadow ko. And this one is wearable also. Ang paghawak ng eyelash extension dapat naka 90-degree angle, not 70. And then tapos look down on the mirror, and then press every side about 5 to 10 seconds. And then last is eyelash mascara. For foundation, tada! Kung gusto mo ma-achieve ang lifted face, this is the technique how to put your concealer. And then blend with sponge or brush. So bumalik ako sa aking lower waterline. gi-blend ko ng matte light brown to make it soft, and then dust with powder for my under eye area and T-zone. For my cheeks, I start with highlighter. Do not drag it down. The next is blush. And then contour. And blend. And the rest is bronzer. And of course, don't forget to contour your nose. Iba talaga ang power ng makeup. You get instant nose job and lifted face. And for my lips, I dust with foundation. Kung ano lang natira sa aking foundation brush, and then lip liner. Oops! So here I'm using dark brown lip liner. Start muna ako sa baba, and then sa taas. So if you want to achieve bigger lips, draw a line on the center and then fill in the side. So finish with lip gloss and then blend it with your lips. If you're not satisfied, get a lip brush and blend it. And that's it. Missing someone.